So, it seems like India is trying to get ahead in the race towards sustainability. There's said to be a goal of achieving 500 gigawatts of electricity generation capacity through non-fossil sources by 2030. And there's said to be a rapid expansion of renewable energy sources with a focus on solar power. As of 2023, it's said that solar power forms close to 55% of the total renewable energy capacity. To achieve a certain scale, decentralized solar installations are important. So, instead of a single and large centralized solar power plant, there are small-scale installations across locations, which could mean a more distributed energy infrastructure. Solar power could be a clean and sustainable energy source for appliances and equipment, water pumps and more. And what group is becoming a key player in the adoption and utilization of solar power? According to a Powering Livelihoods report, it's women. It's said that about 70% of early adopters of clean tech livelihood appliances, which uses clean and environmentally friendly tech to augment livelihoods. For women in rural India, this could take their economic prospects to the next level. There could be home-based micro-entrepreneurship opportunities for women. Think solar-powered sewing machines or grain mills. Solar-powered irrigation pumps could be game-changers for people engaged in agriculture. So this could benefit women in agriculture. Before, without reliable access to electricity, folks had to rely on manual irrigation methods. That could be physically demanding and time-consuming. So, this could increase the productivity of women. And if there are solar-powered community charging stations, that could provide more access to mobile phones. That could empower women to access services and information and engage with online businesses. Though, in remote and marginalized areas, there would need to be efforts to create access and awareness about this tech. Here's to a brighter tomorrow.